Have you ever felt lost in life? Have you ever questioned why you are here? Have you ever wondered what your true purpose is? Finding your purpose is a journey that many of us embark on. It's not about discovering some grand, predetermined destiny, but rather about understanding what drives you, what makes you feel fulfilled, and how you can contribute to the world in a meaningful way. So, how do you begin this journey of finding your purpose? Here are a few steps to guide you. 1. Reflect on your passions and interests. Think about what you love to do. What activities make you lose track of time? What topics can you talk about endlessly? Your passions can give you clues about your purpose. For instance, if you love painting and can spend hours doing it without feeling tired, it might be a significant hint. Consider also the things that ignite a fire in you, those issues or causes you feel strongly about. Sometimes your purpose can be linked to advocating for what you believe in or contributing to something bigger than yourself. 2. Identify your strengths. What are you naturally good at? What skills have you developed over time? Your strengths can help you understand how you can make a unique contribution to the world. Take some time to list out your skills and talents. Are you a good listener? Do you have a knack for solving problems? Are you creative or analytical? Recognizing your strengths can not only boost your confidence, but also guide you toward areas where you can excel and feel a sense of achievement. Don't hesitate to take personality or strengths assessments. They can provide valuable insights. 3. Consider your values. What principles are most important to you? What do you stand for? Your values can guide you towards a purpose that aligns with who you truly are. Make a list of your core values, such as honesty, compassion, growth, or freedom. Reflect on how these values influence your decisions and actions. Aligning your purpose with your values ensures that you lead a life that feels true to yourself. For example, if you value community, you might find your purpose in roles that involve helping others or building strong relationships. 4. Explore different paths. Sometimes, finding your purpose requires trying out different things. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what resonates with you. Each experience can bring you closer to understanding your true purpose. This could mean volunteering, taking up new hobbies, or even changing careers. The key is to stay open and curious. Each new endeavor teaches you something about yourself and what you do or don't enjoy. Remember, it's okay if not everything you try works out. The important part is learning from each experience and using that knowledge to guide your next steps. 5. Seek feedback from others. Talk to friends, family, and mentors who know you well. They can offer valuable insights about your strengths, passions, and potential purpose. Sometimes, others can see things about us that we might overlook. Ask them questions like, "What do you think I'm really good at?" Or, "When have you seen me the happiest?" Their perspectives can provide clarity and affirm the direction you're considering. Don't be shy to ask for support and encouragement as you explore different paths. Having a strong support system can make a big difference in your journey. 6. Listen to your inner voice. Pay attention to your intuition. Often, we have an inner sense of what we are meant to do. Trust yourself and follow the path that feels right to you. Your gut feelings and instincts are powerful tools in guiding you towards your purpose. When you think about certain paths, notice how they make you feel. Do you feel excited and energized? Or do you feel drained and uninspired? These emotional responses are indicators of whether you are moving closer to or further away from your true purpose. 7. Be patient and persistent. Finding your purpose is not always a quick or easy process. It requires time, reflection, and sometimes trial and error. Stay committed to the journey and keep exploring. Understand that it's okay to change directions as you grow and evolve. Your purpose might shift over time, and that's perfectly natural. Embrace the journey with an open heart and mind. knowing that each step you take brings you closer to a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the world. Remember, your purpose doesn't have to be something monumental. It can be something simple yet profoundly meaningful to you. It's about living a life that feels authentic and fulfilling. So start today. Reflect, explore, and listen to yourself. Your purpose is out there waiting to be discovered. And once you find it, you'll experience a sense of direction and fulfillment like never before. I hope this video helps you on your journey to finding your purpose. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.